The pipes are here, so the building can begin. It's a me, Agostino.
Mario, it's a real Agostini.
Is it the real Agostino? You tell me this before, but it's never the same. It's always the pasta, the pasta, the pasta.
Hardware. Oh, you get a keychain?
Of course.
Now that we made a video of it, the customer has to get it too.
This is the night, the most beautiful night, and they call it Belmore. Look in the skies, there are stars in our eyes, and we call it Moto Guzzi.
Agostini.
I'm afraid to get my fingerprints on it.
That's alright, it'll clean up. That's it. I think, and then it's just one more pipe.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think it's
Buried all the way down here.
yeah. One more pipe.
Muffler.
Oh, even better. Wait, this is an Italian newspaper. Ono Raffaele Sontamina. Easy there.
Look at that. It's very cold and very slippery.